Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash. I want you to watch this video to the end to know how to trade successfully using this strategy. And this is strategy that I've been using and it's really working for me. So I want you also to try it and believe it's going to work for you too. If you're a beginner watching this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and join my Telegram link below this video description. And also, at the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the settings that you need to take this up on your chart. The settings you need to take to set this up on your charts. So, as you see now, we are in boom 1000 5-minute time frames, and we only have one window, which is this, and this is my main chart. So this is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frames. So I will advise you to trade this trade on 5-minute time frames. It's work more better on 5-minute time frames. So let's go into the charts and how this really works. As you can see that I have already taken the trade, I've already entered the trade. So I also is going for a long buy this morning, and with this I'm going to grow my account successfully with this strategy. And also, as you can see, I have my window one, which helped me to take my trade. As you see, in this my window, I have my RSI, I have my MA. I have different MA inside this window, but I'm going to be sharing with us at the end of this video the settings I'm going to be sharing with us. So as you see, on boom 1000 we have the on boom 1000 now on 5-minute time frames. All my MA agreed to come together at my 10 level. They have crossed my 20 level and my 10 level, which helped me to identify when to enter my trade. You see, I've entered my trade and I'm expecting a long spike that is coming on this trade. So this strategy is working for boom and crash. It's working, as you can see here. Also, you can see that in this place the three agree to enter my 80 level, between my 80 level to 90 level, and it really helped me towards to take the trade down to this level before spike happen. So you can also check it out. Also, you can use this to catch a spike. You see, from this level now, I have my MA10 and MA120 that cross together in this 9. They cross together, and I know that spike is coming very soon. So the spike comes and it take a long spike up to this level. You see that? So if you really take that, you know how much that really worth. So let's go to crash 500 also. There's something I want to explain to you guys here, and I want you to listen very well. You see now the 3 is agree on this level, and which I enter, which is my buy zone here. You see, I enter the trade, and now the trade is respecting my level, and I'm already in profit with this. And this buy at the top this level, I enter it when it was here, but it was dark last night, so I fell asleep and I forget to close the trade before I move, and I forget to set up the stop profit also. So I wake up this morning and I found the trade at this level. So I wait for it to reach this level, then I take the trade back. So once it's reached this level, I'm going to close it. You see now the strategy really helped me to analyze my trade. You see this also to analyze my trade very well. You see now my MA10 reach my 90 level, which helped me to indicate that a long spike is coming, and the spike really comes and it goes to this level. You see, with this you can be making money every day on your boom and crash. And if you are watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And also I have my Telegram link below this video description. Kindly join for free signal. And also let me go to the settings of these things. So for the settings in the main chart, I have my moving average two there. The first moving average is the parameter, the period is true or trend, and my shift is 0. I have my method to be simple. I have my apply to be open, apply to put it in open. So just screenshot this and you can choose any color here, but I choose yellow in this place. So press on done. Then let's move to the second moving average. The second moving average is period of 60, shift is 0, and my method is linear weight. We have the open to, then open, apply to open, then I have the color of blue here. So you can choose any of your color, any of your best color in this place. You can choose any of your best color, then press done. Then we move to this first window. So indicator window 1, we have the relative strength index, which is this. Then with the period is 10, apply to is open, and the style is what is in white color, which is my background of this trade. So I have my level in different aspects. I have my level in 10, 90, 20, 80, 60. So just screenshot this level and set it up on your own words, on your home account. So and press done. So let's move to the next moving average. In the period of 10, shift of 0, method simple, then apply to close. Then I choose red as my color here and press done. Then you move to the second moving average on the window 1. The period is 120, the shift is 0, the method is simple, apply to close. So yes, I put the color of blue there. Then you can put any of your best color too. So the last moving average is moving average of 60. The period of 60 is shift of 0, simple, which is applied to open. Then I put the color of green. So you also can put any color of your choice in there, depends on the color you like. So after that, I believe by doing that you will have a complete chart on your chart. So with this you can trade. You see now the trade is respecting my what, my level, is respecting my level. You see now it's really respecting my level. So with this strategy now, I've made a lot of money with this. You see what I've made today, you see what I've made for last week, you see. So with this strategy, it's really helping me, and I'm trading every day with this without no mistakes. So you also can set it up on your phone. You can also set it up on your phone and starting using this to analyze your trade every day and enter your market every day without any stress. So if you are watching this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and join my Telegram group for free signal. Thanks.